If you're spending 30 minutes trying to unlock Temu free gifts, you're probably doing way more work than you need to. And I know that because I used to do the exact same thing. I'd watch 3 different videos, copy 5 different coupon codes, jump between random working methods, and by the end of it, I still had average offers. One day I asked myself, why am I making this so complicated? So I changed my approach completely. Instead of chasing dozens of coupon codes, I spent my time finding one that actually delivered consistently. I compared them one by one, same account, same products, same session, and one code kept standing out. The one on your screen. From that point on, my routine became ridiculously simple. Open Temu. Activate the code on the screen first, then start browsing. That's it. No switching between videos, no testing random codes from the comments, no guessing. And honestly, it saved me a ton of time because instead of hoping something good would happen, the app immediately started showing bigger coupon bundles, extra discount offers, bonus reward opportunities, and a much more active free gift section. That's when I realized the fastest method isn't the one with the most steps. It's the one that removes the unnecessary ones. I even went back and tried my old habit again. Random code, random method, random video, same disappointing result, small discounts, weak offers, nothing memorable. Meanwhile, the code on the screen kept giving me the strongest overall experience. Not just one coupon, but a better combination of larger coupon bundles, better savings, and more free gift opportunities throughout the session. Now let's keep this honest. Will every account see the exact same rewards? No. Promotions change and results can vary. But if your goal is to stop wasting time chasing every new working method, I'd rather start with one code that's consistently worth using. That's why the code on the screen is the only one I still use. Save yourself the trial and error. Activate the code on the screen before you do anything else. Then tell me, how much faster did your Temu session feel compared to your usual way?